Namaste, children. Today, the second part of the grammar section, active and passive voice. Now, in the last video, we have come to know that what is active voice. In the active voice, the subject performs the action expressed by the verb. Subject performs the action expressed by the verb. In the passive voice, the subject receives. Receives here, you have to write by. Receives the action expressed by the verb. Now, rules, there were 5 rules in active when you convert active voice into passive voice. So, what are the rules? First of all, you have to identify the subject, the verb, and the object. Which is subject, which is the verb, and which is the object. Second point, you have to change the object into subject. You have to change the object into subject. So, in the place of subject, you have to bring the object, and in the place of object, you have to take the subject. Third point, put the suitable helping verb. Helping verb is like is, was. These are the helping verbs. You also call these helping verbs as auxiliary verbs. Fourth point, change the verb into the past participle. So, you have to change the verb according to the tense of the sentence. You have to change the verb into the past participle. Past participle means the past perfect tense. So, it is also called past perfect tense. Then, you have to add the preposition by. You have to add, when you're converting the active voice into passive voice, you have to add the word by, by in the sentence. Then these are the 5 points you have to remember while changing the active voice into the passive voice. Now coming to the tenses. According to the tenses, we have to change the sentence into active and passive voice. While changing the active sentence, active voice into passive voice, if the tense is in simple tense, simple present tense, see, I have written here. First, I will discuss about the simple present tense. Present tense, simple present tense. Present continuous tense, this is also called present continuous tense, and then present perfect tense. Present continuous tense is also called present preceding tense. So, now here I have given this example. You too have this example. Just look into the notes you have written about this. She writes a letter. Now, which is the, in the active voice, she writes a letter. Now, tell me which is subject, which is object, and which is the verb. Now, she is the subject, letter is the object. In Kannada, you can say Vishaya, and this is Vastu. Vishaya, and this is Vastu. She writes a letter. Writes is in the present tense. She writes a letter is in the present tense. So, writes become written. Present perfect tense. Written. A letter. Object became subject. Here, a letter is written by. You have to add by her. She becomes her. She becomes her. He becomes him. So, next, present continuous tense. So, present continuous tense means that in the present tense only, the work is continuing. Here, eating, sleeping, acting. So, TING, continuous, present continuous tense. They are eating oranges. They are eating oranges. So, now tell me which is the subject and which is the object. They are, it is in the plural form. They are eating oranges. They is subject here. Oranges are object. Vishaya, Vastu. This is, as this is they, you have to write, there is are here. Eating. Eating is in the continuous form. Eating. The work is going on. Eating. So, they are eating oranges. They, subject, oranges, object. It becomes oranges are being eaten by them. Oranges comes here, that is object, are being. So, whenever you find eating continuous tense, present continuous tense, that will come eating, sleeping, acting, or any work which is in the continuous. You have to write being, B-E-I-N-G, B-E-I-N-G. So, oranges are being eaten. This is present continuous. This is perfect tense. Eaten, eat, eaten, eat, eating, eaten. Ate is past tense. So whenever you are whenever you are changing active voice into passive voice, you have to write into past participle. Oranges are eaten by them. Subject becomes object, and you have written eating as it. There is eating continuous tense. You have to write being eaten by them. Now coming to present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means the work is still on, going on. Active voice. Has she completed the work? Has she completed the work? Completed. Has she completed the work? This is in the question mark form. So, has she completed the work? This has doesn't change. But the work comes in the middle. Verb comes in the middle. Has the work completed by her? Has the work completed by her? So, subject came last. Has she became her here. Has remains where it was, as it is the question mark. It is a question asked. Has she completed the work? Has the work completed by her? So, completed remains as it is, and has remains as it is. So, has the work completed by her. So, remaining simple past tense, past continuous, and past perfect tense in the next video. Till then, read this and be thorough in this. Thank you.